Okay, that is 10 minutes to let everyone flow in. That was a weird phrase. You made your own pasta? That's what's up, dude. All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is I Don't Know Entertainment, and welcome to today's stream. We're going to be continuing off the Ghost game I've been working on. Game where you're a ghost. Never been done before. No one's ever made a game about a ghost ever. Don't look that up. Don't research that. Hold on. Hold up. Fix my camera. There we go. Nice. All right, let's see. I think the last thing we had to do was actually just improve the enemy AI, which I don't think I'm gonna need the plugin that I did get, but it's just good to have that on lock. It's always good to just have a solution in place. Look at, that's me. All right, let's start the timer. Just gonna get this going already. And let's see where we are at. My desk is a mess. I'm cleaning my room after the stream. Oh yeah, and I need to fix the lives counter. I think that's actually what I'm gonna do first because I don't like how it turned out. There she blows. All right, so I think did I set that up in the, I set that up in the health component. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get rid of all of this because I didn't like how I did that yesterday. Oi. Oi. There we go. Caps lock off. There we go. And that and live was an H box. We're gonna get rid of that. What we are gonna do though is, because I'm pretty sure, actually we're gonna keep that H box because I'm like 2% sure. Oh, this is the wrong project. I don't have what I thought I did. Okay, we're gonna do this differently. Inside of our lives box here, or actually what I'm gonna do is bring in, yeah, no, I've made pasta before. It's a pretty simple process. This is definitely worth the outcome. Where is it? Should be somewhere in my downloads or in my documents. There we go. Get in there, you. Perfect. Okay. Now we have a, well, my phone's all the way across the room. Can't see what that said. Now we have some stuff we can use here. I want a heart image, and I want to make it a child of our last component. And the only way I can do that is by adding in an image rect. Is it a color? No, a texture rect is what it's called. There we go. That's what we want. And we want, let's just say the player has a max of 5 lives. I think that's fair. Set all the textures to be the heart. Boink. Oh, look at that. Oh. And what we need these to do is fit width. Oh. We also need these to expand. There we go. And we need these to keep aspect center. No, just keep aspect. No. Keep the aspect center, fit width, no. Keep size, fit width. What am I doing wrong? Wait, no, it's actually fine. No, it's not fine. Well, it's kind of fine. They're not, Oh, keep aspect? There we go. Keep aspect center. There we go. Yeah, I remember how to code and do code-based things. Cool. Now we have a lives counter that I need to control G, group, and move that a little closer to the bottom of the screen. And I think, yeah, we don't want that. The self-modulate is what we want. Yeah, there we go. All right. All right, and let's go back to our script here. I think 5 because of how fast we're getting destroyed out here. Amount. comma HP. I'm curious to see what gets thrown in there if I get shot. Amount, and then that's the actual HP. Okay, cool. So what we want to do is first do a little check here to see if amount is less than Y. All right. If amount is less than, oh, that's where I bound it. If amount is less than HP, then what we need to do is, actually no. This is weird to do, but so last counter is equal to the H box, and I need to actually get this, where we're gonna say if get parent dot is in group player. There we go. We're gonna say lives counter is equal to get no or get parent dot get node. Actually, instead of doing all of this, handling like this nonsense here, I should probably just script this. Where lives counter can, yeah, I'm just gonna give this a script. Actually, lives UI, and I'm pretty sure I have a scripts folder set up for UI. No, I don't. All right, cool. We're going for the we're going for that route. G class. What's the word I'm looking for here? Class name lives counter. It's equal to that. And we want this to be on ready health component. We need this on, let's see, on ready their lives ref. It's going to be the health component. Is equal to get parent. No. Yes? No, actually. You need to add this to a local group. There we go. It's equal to get tree dot get first node in group. Nope. Health. There we go. Should do that. Cannot define type health component because I can't spell apparently. There we go. Hopefully that runs. Actually, let's just test that out first. Cool. Dope. All right, that didn't break. That's always a great sign. So then what we want to do is just by default, we set that to max of 5. And then what we want to do is yeah, screw it. We're going to put this in a process. It's kind of gross. But I think for now, this is going to be the best way of doing it. It's equal to lives. Actually, I don't need that so much. Because basically what I need to do is I just need to have the lives component just remove whatever, just remove one, then add one back. So we're gonna have a set of process. We're gonna have a func remove life, and it's going to be, oh my god. There we go. Void. And this will be a func add life. And it will be a void pass. And oof. Okay. This is getting kind of bad in terms of coding, but signal gained health, signal lost health, and we want a signal gained armor and a signal lost armor. There we go. Okay, so what we want to do is whenever, let's see, take damage is happening. Yeah, armor's equal to amount. We want gained arm. We want lost armor dot emit. There we go. And whenever HP is lost, we want lost health dot emit. And we want the same thing for if armor is greater than 0 and armor is less than amount. We want lost armor. Let's fix that later. Lost HP, lost health dot emit. Because we just want that to be the take damage. So lost armor, lost health dot emit. Okay. I just realized the way I have this set up, it's like there's, I don't know. All right, so we have a signal here, and we're gonna connect this to that. So, gained health connects to our lives, and our lost health connects to our lives as well. There we go. And it's just gonna tell me that. There you go. So on health component gained health, we're gonna go, and we're also gonna set an onReady var. Yeah, children, I guess. Let's see. Life icons is equal to texture rex is equal to get chill. Ooh, no, I can't do that. It's gonna be node for sure, and that's gonna be equal to get children. Oh, it's an array node. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so on the instance of losing health, because that's the one that's gonna happen first, we want to go for, ooh, whoa, wait, hold on. Is this right? Yeah, that's right. All right, cool. For texture rex in life icons. If I dot, how would I do this? I dot self modulate is equal to color. Could I just do like, it would just be a vector 4, right? 0, 0, 0. No, it needs to be 1, 1, 1, 0. There we go. Assignment is not, oh, do I have to set the color of it? Oh, Oh, cool. It is a color. Oh, whoops. One. There we go. It's much harder than store-bought? Oh yeah, no. Yeah, I mean, like, it takes a second, though. To... And then we want to, I think, break out of this. Yeah, I think we want to break out of this. Okay, let's just see if this works. If this works, cool. If it doesn't, a little more. All right, cool. It worked. Kind of did that backwards though. Could I do like a reverse for loop? Yeah, plant. Oh, I can just invert it. All right. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey, cool. I did it. All right, nice. And for this, it'll be pretty straightforward. Or just do that. Possession component, do anything? Happened instantly. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, go. Let's try this out. Okay. Whoa, why did... Dang. Alright, cool. That worked. Oh, you're still doing the horticultural thing? That's what's up. So what am I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna back up the health system now. Oh yeah, I also added a new thing. That's cool to hear that, man. You've been working on it for a while. Okay, then we basically just have to do the same thing for this one. Just kind of wrote that. Simple. Alright, and now on the possession component. Cool. So we have to take damage. I might as well have a heal. Oh, I do have a heal. I can just put like 10 in there. Because I'm pretty sure that... Oh, yeah, it's gonna go way too high though. I think for now, just hard code that as 5. It's not... Let's see if this target. Oh, look at that. Oh, I just realized I broke this. Oh, wait, no. Oh, no. Oh, okay, I see what I was doing before now. There we go. Okay, let's try this out. So whenever we possess the target, we should heal. So this guy is gonna hit us a couple times. Oh, I didn't hit him enough. Okay, we didn't heal. Unless the enemies only have 3 health, and that actually makes complete sense. Okay, let's set it to 4. Oh, the enemy's max HP. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Okay, hit me a couple times, come on. Oh, okay, that cleared everything. You're not gonna shoot me anymore. You will, though. Okay, we're not healing, though. Let's go to health component. Let's see, we got the print. Heal. Let's see if this is actually happening. I want you to shoot me a couple times. Oh my god, that was too fast. Okay, we are getting the heal. Okay, so I think I'm just not, yeah, because it's not emitting. There it is. Print heal. So we want this to be, and let's just say it's equal to that. That's it. Oh yeah, huh, I did set it to that. We need HP dot, we just need whatever this is. Here we go. Boop. And then we need to emit gained health. That emit and emit HP. I guess. Yes. And we're gonna see if this breaks. Hey, it didn't! Dude, wait, hold up. Sweet. Dope. Made leather? Oh, that's cool, man. That's a long process. All right. Let's see. So now all we have to do afterwards is just fix the AI, and then we can start working on map building. Dope. All right, I'm gonna get some water and use the bathroom real quick. Here, beat. Okay, y'all, I am back. Let's continue where we were at. So, now we just need to improve enemy AI just a bit, just a tad. So, I think this isn't going to be too crazy. One thing I want to do is well, actually, here, hold up. This is going to be kind of weird, but we're going to switch this over to a quick gameplay stream. And the reason why we're doing this is it's a really good way to understand how enemy AI works, or should work in a game like this. So I'm gonna hop into I showed this off last time, one of my favorite games. It is called I Am Your Beast. Can't wait for someone who joins in who's looking for oh my god. Looking for a game dev stream is going to be seeing me play a video game. But again, we did this last time, and it kind of gives me an idea of how I want to scale the maps and how I want enemy AI to be played. Also, highly recommend this game if y'all haven't played it. Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, okay, this is gonna start us right at the beginning. We don't want that. What we want... Let's see. Here we go. Okay, but it looks like one thing I'm realizing. Level timer works a second, like you're about to do something. So, we're here, this guy doesn't see us.
In sight.
There we go. Okay. So then the entire level knows where we're at, and then they move over, and they only shoot us if they have line of sight, or if we're shooting. See how this guy's in shooting? Now he is. It's weird, they kind of wait, and then they move around. So he's not doing anything. That's something I noticed about these kinds of games. They're almost like power shooters. Hey, DSX, what's good? Yeah, I wish this was my game. This is I Am Your Beast, and we're checking it out to kind of get an idea.
Split up so we can find it faster.
Can't is the game out? Here. Keep the audio where it's at. Turn down that bit. That should be a little bit better. So we're checking this game out because we're at the stage of the game that we're actually making to just see how we want the AI to behave.
Converge on Harding.
See, if we're in some kind of line of sight range, or we're in some kind of detection range where it's like all the AI is like, alright, okay, we need to do something. No, if this was my game, oh my god, that'd be crazy. Yeah, no. But this is a really good game. I recommend getting it. See, the AI is dumb, actually. Make myself louder. I'm already in the yellow zone. Turn up the stream, my guy, if it's not already maxed out. Okay. I think I got an idea of what to do now. There we go. Where's my music at? Can't do some dev without music. I'm lucky that you have an audio interface. I am, so you can hear me even better. The dulcet tones of my voice. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. So the current enemy setup is they just like go for it, they shoot the player if they have a range. Yeah, of course I remember you. I said it's been a minute, what's up? But you couldn't hear me earlier. Okay, so there's a couple things to do for this. I think one thing is to only shoot if the enemy has line of sight on the player within a certain distance. While ceiling's up, you're making music samples and low poly models. Want to sell 10 guns for $2. That's a pretty light asset pack. You guys saw that on Fab? Oh yeah, let me start my work timer. I completely forgot I need to do that. If I don't do that, I'll go mad. Okay, so let's figure this out. Let's think about it. So the enemies will just exist for the sake of, well, actually, how do I want my own game to be structured? I want it to be, each level to be pretty condensed. Like right here is a sandbox level I made just to test things out. Right here is a test level I made, but it's way too big for the kind of game I want to make. I think the best thing to do right now is just to figure out what we want for map design, and then can't be bothered to make 100 guns. Yeah, there's a lot for one person unless you're really going into it. Okay, let's learn the basics of map design. How to make a map for an FPS. What makes a good FPS map? Dude, I don't want to learn how to make a good FPS map. I just want to make an FPS map. And I don't want to set up, let's see. High create maps and Godot, that actually might be, let's see what this guy does. Going into Blender, he makes a turn in Blender, and then, yeah. I forgot Godot had visual shader editor. Huh. Okay. Nope. Let's actually do this. Let's spend a decent amount of time creating a map, a good one. Are my NPCs wrecking house yet? Oh yeah, no, they are destroying me, but we got to a point where they work. We're on map design. Also, what's good, Obsidian? You're going to Turkey in 50 days safe? That's what's up, dude. And you're relearning Turkish. Right on. You make one gun model a day? You trying to share a image of that in the Discord so we can check it out? I want to see. Alright, we're going to try to make a FPS map. I'm scared. Not really. This needs to be a Node 30. Called level 0. There we go. Oh, you know what? Let's be real cool, dude. We're not gonna type the numbers. We're not gonna like just type a number. We're gonna put a number. We're gonna write it out. There you go. And then let's set up a CSG box for that. Make sure that's about there. Make sure to use this collision. And then bring this guy down. What's my snap set to? That's not good right now. Snap settings, where you at? There we go. Translate snaps, rotation snaps, scale snap is by 10. Let's get that. Let's get that to like 5, maybe 2.5. No decimal values actually. 5. There we go. Right on. Okay. Sure. Half a meter thick floors. That's fine. And we're using collision. Let's get our player up in this. I should have my scenes as one of my favorited folders, so I can always just have that guy. Can I favorite files? Oh, you can. Wow. That's awesome. I didn't know that. Hey, look at that. And we got the physics-based snapping too. Love that. All right. Oh, it's translation snap that I wanted. Did I not mess with that? Oh, I did. Int scale. Was I really just messing around with scale snap? That's terrible. All right, let's get point 1. We want precision up in here. And then let's make like a decent rectangle, because I want these maps to be, I want them to all feel like factory rooms, because this whole game is going to take place in just like one office. I'm not planning on doing anything super crazy for this. It's going to be a pretty short game. Just want to make something that's decently polished. And then let's get another CSG box here. Duplicate you. So this is the floor. This is the walls. Should grab a blueprint for a building you want to emulate. That way you should have a comparable meter scale to work with. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, did not mean to accidentally use AI. Unless this isn't AI. No, it is. Cool. Well, it did the job of what I needed it to do. You can make multi-level stuff here. Okay, now this is our floor. Oh my god. This is our walls. This is our floor. And let's see what I have left for that. 38.1. Just crank that down to 38. Make the walls also 38. Set its transform to. Its position needs to be centered. Same thing with you. Position needs to be centered. There we go. Cool. And for our floor, let's get back to our Kenny resources. Gonna have some eye bleeding nonsense, y'all. There we go. Flip the faces. Cool. No, I haven't played around with the like way a game looks yet, which isn't something I should be doing right now, to be honest, but it would be kind of fun to just play around with it. Okay. So like does its own thing, world environment design. Scale that up. Which one? Alright. Where's my scale button? There you are. Perfect. Oh, it's gonna combine materials. I forgot about that. Look. Alright, cool. Too bad it doesn't have. Let's see. I know what to do. CSG combiner 30. There we go. Let's do that. Hold on, BRB. Tell me I had a doctor's appointment tomorrow. All right. Okay, where's this at? Oh, cool. Oh! Oh, wait, hold on. This is kind of cool. I can just like add points to this? Can I combine points? Huh. I could play around with this for a while. This is fun. Okay. That's cool and all, but we don't really need that at the moment. We just need a ramp. Hey, Viewbot. Nice. How simple would it be to make a ladder? Maybe I want like an elevator shaft that goes up to the second floor. That might be cool, actually. Huh. Them are showing the materials up, but they're all using materials. Alright, cool. I'll deal with that later, whatever weirdness that is. Oh, yeah, sure. Oh. Whoa, okay, wait. What just happened? Oh. Oh! What's built-in script do? I have no idea. Actually, no, it's a CSG box. Oh, that. Oh, okay. It does get from no 3D. Alright, cool. Let me ban the. Whatever. We'll ban it at a certain point. See, the next thing I want. Actually, could I? Let's see what we got here. We got this guy here. How's it fair like that? Nah, because I want it to be accessible to the other characters, or maybe not. I don't know. I'm thinking too hard about it. I do want like a little wall thing around the edges of this though. So maybe. Let's see. Got this. Got you. Let's see. This should be called floor cutout. This should be circle 4. Let's duplicate you. Here, okay, and then make you. How to do this? I need. Oh, okay. Hold on, I know what to do. I think I know what to do. So we have this. And then I wonder, could I? This says it to Union. This is a cutout. Oh wait. Does that even do anything? Okay. And if we use collision on the combined layers like that, okay. So if I wanted to get like a wall going on here, right? I would just I want to take this guy here, duplicate you, not you, I guess, this, duplicate you, put you on the outside like I was doing before, shrink you down to this. Then that. Okay. Nope. Like that. Then move you down slightly. Move this part of you up. Like that. Okay, I could be cooking here. Then what I want to do is I want to duplicate you again. Move you up like that. Shrink you down. A little bit like that. Get a good barrier. Put you down here. Make your be subtraction. Like that and that plus that. I don't even know what okay, this needs to be our elevator. Okay. Almost. There we go. Cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. This is gonna be a weird map, but it's gonna be a fun map nonetheless. Then, let's see. I think I still have those props from the Kenny prototypes, right? Yeah. Is there any like, oh, there's doors in here? Is there any like desks I can use? No, there's windows, there's some stairs. Okay. I mean, I don't mind modeling at a certain point. And let's see what happens if let's see. There we go. Favorite a couple of these guys. Just put them in there in the scene. couple things that shouldn't be there. Specifically this, but I hope it's not going to cause any major problems. I wonder how this would break if it like doesn't know what's going on. I wonder if this will break if it's inheriting from a nope, wrong one. Oh, cool, it still doesn't break. Nice. Actually, no. Here, let me back up everything I've done so far. Can't type for some reason. Okay, there we go. And dope. I think I want to make an elevator character body 3D, give it physics link, it has some utils for moving platforms. Okay, so you do have to make it a character body 3D for the physics to be used. Okay. I'll be back in about 5 minutes because that's our break. And then when we're back, we will do that instead of the code I'm handing out here. It's a beer beat. I got my old bones up. Here we go. Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Is it just straight up in character body 2D? Or 30? Oh, okay. This is the one we want. Collision layers that will be included for detecting floor bodies that will act as moving platforms, followed by the character body's 3D. Oh, wait, hold up. So, do I just have to do this? Oh. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait, hold on, we might be able to get away with this. Oh, let's try this out. Edit names. Moving platform. There we go. Close, do that. Motion blade grounding. Floor solid stones. Wall layers, collision, safe margin. Okay. I think I just need to only do these three. I don't know why I did that. Okay. And then let's put our elevator on this too. And then on that, oh, brain just fried there. That was fun. Should have just a basic speed curve, do that, and then there we go. Okay. And let's just say its start position is equal to, we won't set that to be anything until we get something we like. So that elevator, what is your current position? What? Did I hit reset value? Oh, there, copy value. Surpass, piss. Okay. Move down. I could just do this with trainers too, actually. There's something right here, mate. Oh yeah, something is right here. I'm just not looking at the right thing. Pace value. There we go. There we go. Do that. I'm in the Discord. Did I miss something? Oh, we have that. Now I just need to remember how I was gonna handle this with the curves. I wonder if I could just like ping pong with the sample value. Okay. I'm actually curious to just see what this prints out, to be honest. Oh, wrong level. Huh. Oh yeah, because it's never doing anything, is it? I'm just gonna do this with tweeners. I don't know one thing about this so hard. Okie dokie. Oh my god. Okay. No, definitely it is this. Okay, so I just need to set that up. I feel like he's gonna do something way worse. Oh, I can just do global position. And then you can call back to go to unpause. set delay of like, I don't know, a second. Was it started? Is it at the... I don't need this curve anymore. Are we at the start pause at the beginning? Yeah, we're at the end pause. So, let's see. Oh no, how did I set this up? I think we are currently, let's see, the Y position. That's 11.65. We're at the start pause, so we need to start with go to end pause. There we go. I'm getting gunned down in the street. Oh crap, this worked. Oh my god, that worked for a shot. Oh my god, why are these guys actually good at the game? Huh, alright, cool. That worked first try. That's never happened before. That's so nice. Paranoia that comes from working on your code the first try. Oh yeah, no. At a certain point in time, I'm just gonna break horribly. All right, cool. Now I have a very, 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 very basic setup of what I want the game to be. Word. All right. Now the thing I should have made a canvas a while, or a scene a while ago. There we go. Oh wow. Okay. Something's still kind of off with, yeah, the time. Okay, that's great. Oh, yeah. There you go. Boop. I see them moving up there. The Cretans. Oh man, they are just gunning me down through that wall. Okay. Alright, Like that. There we go. That collision's a little higher than I thought it was gonna be. Hopefully this doesn't like screw me over later on. My god. Okay. Why aren't we restarting? Oh, because it's not part of the main node. Because of the way I set this up, which is so dumb. Why is my scripts folder white? Oh, these are my favorites. You should definitely have the thing that I've created earlier. Yeah, we're just gonna... Let me see if this breaks everything. I'm not gonna cry, dude. I'm not gonna cry. That just did something in a slightly annoying way. They're gunning me down. Okay, cool. Way better. All right, cool. We got a we got a thing. We got the very basic setup of the game completed. Yay. We have a very basic map that's not that good right now. We need to improve enemy AI, which is like the next thing to do. I have like little clusters of enemies here. Alright, so I know there's a thing. I'm aware of an object, a relic, if you will. Audio listener. Just send a signal. Oh, it doesn't know. Because it doesn't do exactly what I think it does. Because I'm stuck thinking of Unreal. Override location. Yeah. Status indicator. Huh. Okay. Yeah, because now the last thing we have to do, let me just, always gotta make sure I set the timer. Yeah, we got 8 minutes left. We actually made an absurd amount of progress today. The last thing I need to do is just make sure the enemies don't gun us down absurdly fast, and that they use whatever guns that they have equipped. So what if someone's using a grenade launcher? Then like it's a ghost grenade, so it only like hits your soul instead of your person, you know? That's a thing. I didn't even set that up. 0.3 seconds is insane. Set that to like 0.75, I think is a lot more fair. And then this is where I need to figure out what to do. Ooh, an FPS where you have HP and soul points, you could die if either reaches 0. The soul points is an interesting idea. Imagine saying that would take place in. Yeah, so like the idea for this game so far is like, it's like old-timey gangsters, but they, hey, what's good, Seven Flame? It's like old-timey gangsters, but like for some reason they're also wizards, or like necromancers, and you are a ghost that they summon, like the ghost is like their best hitman, that they summon to take out like the rival gang. So, we're setting that up right now. I just need to figure out how I want the AI to work. Because my idea is just like the second like you're in like a detection range, or like they hear you fire and you're within a certain range. That's actually like literally what I just said is exactly what I should do. So, oh, you're the ghost? I thought the game was fighting ghosts with guns. No, dude, come on. That's not realistic. Jesus, come on. Come on. Unbelievable. All right. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Because I don't want to mess with any complicated AI. Where even is the rotator? It's on the top of the head. What's the forward vector? It's negative Z. Let's give this guy a ray cost. It's not gonna be like the most accurate thing in the world, but set that to detect player. This code's a mess. What's my code not a mess though? It's like saying, man, this lava's hot. Is there such thing as cold lava actually? I wouldn't be surprised. Science is a wondrous thing. Oh, yeah, I should probably. I'm just gonna run this in a function, actually. Func. Yeah, of course. Is player. Let's see. Player in fire line. Inside line. That's probably one word. Where is it's in here? Doesn't have a nav map. Okay, this has happened a couple of times, and it's only happened because the player wasn't loading in before the enemy did. Oh, that's why. I'm loading the enemy scene. Whoops. Oh my god! Dude, I'm cracked. I'm cracked. I'm cracked. I'm cracked. I'm cracked. Oh. Wait, is this where I use the signal bus or I use common? No, this is where I use the signal bus. Okie dokie. Get tree, get first node in group. Flare. I didn't know about is instance valid for so long. And return false. Actually, if it is that, if you dot get collider that is in group. Hey, perfect timing. Player. Return true. Outside of all of it, return false. There we go. That hopefully fixes it. I think. We're gonna find out. Gallium's an atomic element, so technically it can be lava. Oh, you're so right about that. Why are they hitting me so much faster now? Got 10 shotgun bullets, dude. I missed a platform. I missed a platform. I missed a platform. It's over. It's over. It's over, dude. It's over. It's over. World's first isn't happening. Wait, that's Destiny. Dodge. Heal. Dodge. Dang. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Alright, let's see. Work in progress improved. Enemy AI. Now enemy needs to have line of sight on player. And setup. All right, perfect. We're getting closer. We're getting closer to a better product. I'm working on this. 2 weeks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, but that is gonna end today's stream. So let's do this in the order of people who've appeared in chat. Special thanks to Safe for popping in. Hope your trip to Turkey goes well. Now on our wrong one. There we go. Now on our Twitch chat, we got Deus Ex Nexus for popping in. Good luck on the rest of your acid pack and shoot us some more music. Obsidian Black for popping in as always and giving us some help as needed. Seriously, definitely needed. And last but not least, Seven Flame 80 for popping in and just hitting in the chat and entertaining my cold lava idea or words, both of you guys actually. And of course, last but not least, Niantuin, I saw you there. Thanks for just hanging out. All right, guys, that's going to be the end of today's stream. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Peace.